Hi and welcome to Cooking with Chemistry. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a pavlova. So the first thing you want to do is you want to separate 4 egg whites from the actual egg themselves. Okay, so once you have your separated egg whites, what you want to do is you want to put them in your mixer, and you want to make sure that your mixer is really clean so that the egg whites can inflate to their full size. You want to close your mixer and mix them on high until they're fluffy.
Okay, so as you can see, the egg whites have been beaten and now they are fluffy and they form stiff peaks. So yeah.
Okay, so after you have your beaten egg whites, what you want to do is you want to measure out 1 1/4 cups of sugar and add them 1 tablespoon at a time to the egg white mixture so that it can thoroughly mix in with the egg whites.
Alright, so you keep the mixer on medium speed and we're going to gradually add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the egg whites at a time.
Okay, so once you've added all the sugar to your mixture, you want to turn off your mixer, and to see if your mixture is done, you want to take a little bit in your hand and rub it in between your fingers, and if you can feel some grains of sugar in there still, which this one still has, you want to mix it for another like 5 minutes on medium speed to make sure that it's all mixed in. Okay, so once your egg whites and sugar are all mixed in, you want to first add 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar to your mixture. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And once you've added all of those, you want to mix it in by hand and make sure not to over mix it so your egg whites stay nice and fluffy.
Alright, so now we're going to draw a 9-inch circle, and this is for when you put the pavlova and the egg whites, you like put it in a circle, so we're just using the marker to outline where we're going to put the egg whites.
What you want to do once you have your circle and everything ready, you want to take a icing bag and fold down the edges and then just start putting your egg white mixture into this bag so that you'll be able to make it into a circle easily. So I'm just going to fill this up. Okay, so once you have your bag like full up, you just roll up the sides, and then you just grab the end, and you just want to squeeze around. Oh, let me cut that more. You just want to squeeze around the outline of your circle.
So here's what the finished product is going to look like when you put it in the circle. Alright, so now you're just going to put the pavlova into an oven at 300 degrees for 1 hour.
Okay, so after an hour, your pavlova will look like this. It'll be like fluffy and cracked, and it'll be like a pale white color. And so what you want to do is you want to turn your oven off, and you want to leave the door open and let the pavlova cool down completely in the oven.
So some nice toppings for the pavlova are whipped cream and fruit. So right now we're just chopping up some strawberries and some kiwi to add to our pavlova.
Okay, so some decorative ideas for your finished pavlova is to just cover it in whipped cream. That's awkward. Okay, and then once you've got whipped cream on it, you can just put some fruit around it, and the fruit we've chosen to use are kiwis and strawberries.
Yum!
So there's your kiwis. And then you can just put your strawberries on.